Welcome back to Quiz University, reminding you that knowledge is power. For this video, let's see how well you learned your Earth and Life Science lesson. You are given a few seconds to answer each question. You are free to pause if you needed more time. The correct answers will be pinned in the comment section soon. Are you ready? Let's get started. Which statement is not a reason why Uranus and Neptune cannot support life? These planets? What is one reason that life cannot survive in Mercury? Which of the following statements about Earth is false? What are some mechanisms found on Earth that help distribute nutrients? Which of the following describes a characteristic that scientists consider important for a planet to support life? Which characteristic enables the Earth to support life? It has what? When an earthquake causes tsunami, which Earth subsystems are involved? Which of the following subsystems interact when animals drink water from a pond, lake, or river? When strong winds create big waves, which Earth subsystems interact? Which Earth subsystems interact when plants absorb minerals from the soil? What flows in all the subsystems when they interact? What subsystem includes all life forms? Which subsystem provides the gases needed to sustain life on Earth? What makes up the hydrosphere? What subsystem protects us from the sun's harmful radiation? Which exoplanet has a greater chance of supporting life? Why is Venus unable to support life? Which of the following statements about the Earth is true? Which correctly describes the chemicals found on Earth? What is a Goldilocks planet? It is a planet that How do the Earth's atmosphere, water cycle, and volcanism help sustain life? These are means of which describes a unique characteristic that enables the Earth to support life. The Earth. What subsystems are involved when an IPO tornado picks up dust and stones? When people travel on water, which Earth subsystems interact? What gases make up the Earth's atmosphere? Which pair is correct? What subsystem includes all living organisms found in different ecosystems? Which subsystem acts as a protective umbrella around Earth? What Earth subsystem includes the medium for growth of all kinds of vegetation? The Earth's atmosphere is composed mainly of Let me know in the comments section your answers to see if it matches the correct answers in the pinned section. Share this to your friends to see if they could beat you. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow for more. See you in the next quiz challenge only here in the Quiz University.